Full screen and the new aspect ratios. We have embedded nature, sound and ambience noises across the system. We also are introducing AI portrait, which works both for single lens and lens, and a lot of India customization specific for me fans here in India. So you might be wondering, when are you getting this on your device? So this is the plan. We'll be rolling out the beta in June for all these devices, and this includes all the global devices also. And over a period of time, we will introduce in the stable build in future. So with that, I would ask Manu to come back on stage. Thanks so much.
Thanks, man. AI-based front camera, 16 megapixel, an amazing AI dual camera, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with 1.25 micron pixels, a great Snapdragon 625 processor with 14 nanometer FinFET technology, 5.99-inch 18:9 full screen display, AI-based face unlock, and a really beautiful, gorgeous device. And we have Katrina Kaif, who will be endorsing this particular product. That's all, guys. Thank you for joining in. We can actually